getting it in towards Diane Dempsey, causing lots of problems. Here's a great run for Niamh Quinlan, and here's a second goal. This ball aimed at Geraldine O'Ryan, knocked down nicely for Rebecca Hallahan. Goal on here, she shoots, she scores. This is going to a replay. The Hoosier sounds, it is a draw. There are no winners.
Finding it very hard to get their rhythm. Not a problem for Waterford. Julianne Torpey hits it in, and it's gone in again. Waterford are celebrating. It's all over. Waterford are the All-Ireland champions. They beat Monaghan in a wonderful game of football.
Siocmhainn is múling leis sin eso ceann beo eile. Astro Delahunty, in draw Ryan, in draw under for Michelle,